To exit towards Manchester Airport.
Good morning, good morning. I'm being quiet because it's quite early. But I'm in Girona. If you saw my Instagram stories, you would know this. But yeah, I'm in Girona for the week. Today we're going to be doing just a steady loop. I think it's about 70k up Els Angels. I thought it was Hell's Angels, but apparently it's not. It's Els Angels. So we're going to go up there. It's about a 12k climb, I think. A little loop and then just come back here. I think it's going to get to like 27 degrees. I'm happy. I feel like it's summer. And yeah, it's a group of us. You'll see people to run with later on. But yeah. Oh God, this weather. Short sleeves and shorts. So we're up at the monastery and it is at the top of Els Angels. That is, honestly, such a good climb. It's not even, I wouldn't really necessarily, it's a long, it's like 11k, but it's really like up and down. It's just like a really nice undulating road. I wouldn't say it's like a climb. So yeah, if you want to come and do something very gentle, very steady, that is a cracker of a ride because it's beautiful. So I'm gonna head down. We've got like a rest of the loop, so I guess we'll just see you along. It's just so nice to be out in summer. I say summer, it's October, but out in warm weather in short sleeves and shorts and not have to bring layers out. So far I'm impressed. I've just so back from the ride. That ride was absolutely perfect. It was just gentle climbs, beautiful mountains, just stunning. Absolutely. So have a look at my Strava if you want to go and have a look at it. If you ever come out, you can steal the route. But it's just, oh God, I love Girona. I've never been here. This is just incredible. The weather is just, I feel like in the UK we've had so much crappy weather recently. It's just nice to come out, even just have a week of summer here. Just stunning. So I'm gonna get in now, maybe get a quick snack and then get my bikini on and then come out here because look at this. Oh yeah, this is where I'm gonna be spending my afternoon, in the sunshine, in the pool, just having the summer of my dreams. I don't mean to make anyone jealous, but so this place that we're staying has got a pool, but it's so cold, so I'm gonna have a little wander in it. I think it's just quicker just to get straight in it. Oh God, that is so cold. It's lovely. I think this is probably the most British thing that I could probably do, is have a cup of tea in a pool. I've already had a cucumber by the pool today, so. So I was trying to figure out how to lay here but without being in the sun. I don't know whether this is to like you lean on it or whether you just pull it over and get rid of the sun. God knows. What are we even doing here? This is what we do when we don't ride bikes. We get trapped in deck chairs. Look, sun. When you bring this down, no sun. So this is the end of the video because I'm going to go and have my tea. And when I say tea, I mean evening meal. I know sometimes that causes a little bit of confusion with some southern people in the UK who don't call it tea. But anyway, I'm just trying crap. So yeah, tomorrow they'll be climbing, potentially Rocacorba climb. Because the climb we did today was not even potentially one of the the bigger climbs in Girona. So if you know of any other beasts of climbs, let me know. I'm more than happy to ride them. So yeah, I thought I would end these videos while I'm away with one of your questions. So if you've got any questions that you want answering, then put them in the comments of this video and I will answer them in the next video. So the question that I'm using today, God, it's getting a bit breezy, is Hugo Brown asked me, do you drink alcohol? And the answer to that is no, I do not drink alcohol. And the reason for that is I had my fair share, like growing up, not like a kid, but from the ages of like 18 upwards to about, I don't know, when I stopped drinking, which was, how old was I? Well, it was 2014. I stopped when I was travelling, when I bought the bike. I just had my fill of it and I was just like, I just don't want to get drunk anymore. But people love it and people enjoy it, and I have been one of those people, but just for me personally now, I just don't want to drink no more. I'm not like, I will never drink alcohol ever again. I'm not like a teetotal or anything like that, but the last time I drank was then, and I've just not had any drink or any reason to drink since then. So yeah, I don't drink. Halo around my head. But anyway, not that I think there's anything wrong with drinking. If you want to drink, you drink, you enjoy your glass of wine. But for me, like, it just ain't for me. So yeah, that is in answer to your question. Let me know if you've got any other questions and I'll answer them in the next video. So yeah, that is it. I'm gonna go get some grub and I'll see you in the next video. Okay, good night, farewell. Also, if you wanted like more, regular updates rather than just the videos, follow me on Instagram. I'm putting stories and stuff on there. So yeah, it's at Katie Kookaburra with a number 1 on the end. And yeah, that is it. I'll maybe see you over Instagram. I'll maybe see you here on my YouTube in a few days, in a day. I don't know. Bye!